Hi, boss. I'm with my girlfriend, Ira Lourdes Aquino Lopez.
Hi, boss.
Hi, boss. She's from Tarlac, but currently resides in BGC. And we're here first to greet you a happy anniversary. Happy birthday, boss.
Happy birthday.
And we had our new car blessed. I know that if you were alive, you'll say that I'm crazy. But thank you. It's because of your hard work and my inheritance from you that I was able to buy a new car.
Yeah.
So thank you, boss. Love you. We hope you're happy and at peace in heaven with Lola and Lola, with Tita Baby, and of course with our Lord. Ikaw na bahala sa amin ni Ira. Maganda ba, pa? Pa, kung pasado, magparamdam ka.
Ay, parang hindi nagparamdam. Hindi daw.
Of course not. Mahilig sa maganda, bata, at sexy si Papa.
Kailan ba?
Oo.
Pwede ba siya sa morena? Chinita?
Yung Chinita, yes. Yung Morena, meron. May nakilala akong girlfriend.
Asan mo yung girlfriend si morena? Huwag mo kami pinagmanahan ito si Mark?